Hi, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about evaluating algebraic expressions. So I give you an expression and I tell you what the values of a, b, and c are, and I want you to evaluate this. So my expression is a squared take 2bc, and I've told you my values of a, b, and c. And I want you to work this out. So all you have to do is wherever you see a, we're going to substitute -3. Wherever we see b, we're going to substitute 5. And wherever you see c, you're going to substitute -1. Because of the negatives and the fact that we're multiplying this stuff, it's really important that you use brackets when you substitute. So we have a squared, and instead of a, you're going to write -3, and then you put the squared outside. So this is my a squared value, and we have -2bc. So then we're going to write -2. My value of b is 5, and my value of c is -1. And now I want to work this out. So -3 bracket squared is -3 times -3, which is +9. And then we've got -2 multiplied by 5, which is -10. And then -10 multiplied by -1 is +10. Does that make sense? Because you've got a neg times a positive, which is a negative, and then you're going to times that by a negative again. When you multiply a neg by a neg, you get positive. So you just get 9 plus 10, which is 19. So the answer to this should be 19. Beautiful. Let's do one more. Okay, we've got b squared take 3ac. So I like to color coordinate. So a is 1. So wherever I see a, I'm going to substitute 1. B is -2. I'm going to use brackets. And c is -3. So let's write this out. So we've got b squared take 3ac. Instead of b, I'm going to put -2, and then you're going to put the squared outside. Then you still got the -3, and then we've got a and c. Okay, let's work this out. -2 squared is +4, and -3 multiplied by 1 multiplied by -3 is +9. Okay, because it's basically 3 times 1, -3 times 1, which is -3, and then -3 times -3, which is +9. And so we're just left with 4 plus 9, which is 13. Brilliant. Hopefully that was nice and easy. Thank you for watching. See you next time.